नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो. Good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Alka Jain, MD in Homeopathy, Associate Professor and HOD in the Department of Community Medicine at Faculty of Homeopathic Science in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In today's session, I will discuss about the various opportunities a BHMS students can avail after completing his degree, especially in government portfolio. Now, first of all, what are the different job prospects in public sector after completing BHMS? Homeopathic medicines have high demand in this modern area. The homeopathic medicines are developed from natural substances, and consuming the same will not lead to any kind of drug dependency. And most important, these medicines do not cause any side effects which are present in allopathic mode of treatment. Homeopathic physicians treat the patients by identifying the cause of the illness and remove it from the root. So people choose homeopathy more than allopathy now. And this awareness about homeopathy is increasing amongst the general public. It increases the demand of homeopathic doctors and homeoclinics than in the past and offers more opportunities to the BHMS graduates. The salary package offered to BHMS degree holders depends upon their skills and experience, and these rules also applies in every field of career. Several opportunities are available for the BHMS students in the public sectors. And for getting these jobs, there are entrance exams which are conducted by the central as well as state governments for selecting those candidates. BHMS graduates have a chance to apply for the exams conducted by CCRH. This is Central Council of Research in Homeopathy for recruiting research officers. Public health care centers and rehabilitation centers also provide employment opportunities for BHMS graduates. But there are other opportunities like direct recruitment for the professionals in public sectors, and these candidates are free from attending the basic test. But for these exams, these jobs, minimum qualification is limited to BHMS by UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, Government of State and Central. Government jobs offers high salary packages to the BHMS graduates. All the state governments recruits candidates uh, for Ayush doctors. Ayush, this is Ayurveda, Yoga, Siddha, Homeopathy, and Yoga. And also central governments recruits BHMS students, but the qualification is the BHMS degree. And candidates can apply for homeopathic medical officers in West Bengal State Health and Family Welfare Committee after BHMS, and the salary offered for this post is rupees 35,000 per month. It's a good amount. And it is also possible for BHMS qualified candidates to apply in Raja Raman Center for Advanced Technology. This is RRCAT CAT for the position of medical attendant. and the salary offered for this position is rupees 18,000 per month. The other opportunities are Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited. This is RCFL. Also recruits BHMS candidates for the position of honorary doctors. And the salary offered for this position is rupees 23,000 rupees per month. This is the salary in starting packages. After promotions, the gets salary amount gets higher. And Advanced Centers for Treatment, Research and Education in Cancer is another organization which consider BHMS graduates for the position of Clinical Research Coordinator with a salary package of rupees 17,000. Students can also apply for the position of homeopathy doctor in Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. This is ONGC. And this is a very good private firm for the students to get their jobs. And the salary offered for this position is rupees 55,000 on a monthly basis. It's a very good amount to start your career. Indian Institute of Technology, this is IIT Jodhpur, offers the post of medical officer for BHMS graduates. The salary package offered for this position is rupees 700 to 1000 per visit. It is possible for PHMS graduates to apply for Senior Research Fellow, this is SRF, position in Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, and the salary specified for the same is rupees 22,000 per month. Tata Memorial Hospitals calls applications from BHMS graduates for research fellow positions, and the salary package includes rupees 22,000 per month along with 30% HRA. So students who are interested in doing research works, they have best opportunities to get their jobs in Tata Memorial or in IIT companies or in ONGCs. The main employment areas for BHM students are uh, in hospitals, in both private hospitals and government hospitals, pharmaceutical companies like SBL, WSI, and many other more pharmaceutical companies, training institutes, charitable institutes, clinics, their own clinics, or in other clinics, you can do a job. Medical colleges, consultancies, institutes, state dispensaries like ESI, and homeopathic medicines stores. Now, the job types in these sectors are homeopathic medical officers, researchers, doctors, pharmacists, teachers, public health specialists, consultants, and private practitioners. So, a BHMS student, after completing his or her degree, can work as a different type of uh, opportunities like homeopathic medical officers and researchers, doctors, both in own clinic or in other clinics, and many more. The government conducts certain tests for selecting all these medical officers, doctors for the concerned departments. This exam is highly competitive and makes many candidates apply for the test. Candidate can also choose to become faculty members in government colleges after completing BHMS course, and they required to clear the UGC NET for employment in these colleges. Aspirants can also seek employments as health officers and community medical officers in various government organizations and pharmacies. Now, what are the other opportunities after BHMS? students can avail. A number of opportunities are available for BHMS graduates. They can opt to specialize in various areas in homeopathy. A post graduation, this is MD in hospital management, can also be pursued by graduates. Career options are also available for BHMS graduates in a number of sectors. And the higher studies options after BHMS degree. This is after completing their graduation degree, they can go for higher degrees. This is post graduation degrees, and these can also be pursued in hospital managements. And graduates can opt for the following courses after BHMS. And the first number is Master of Science in Regenerative Medicines, Master of Science in Psychiatry, Master of Science in Epidemiology. A BHMS students can also pursue uh, master degree in epidemiology and can become an epidemiologist, and a very good opportunities for a BHMS students to get jobs as a epidemiologist. Master of Science in Endocrinology, Master of Hospital Management, Master of Hospital Management in Jaipur, in Sanganer. IIHRM is a very well-known college for this hospital management. Doctor of Medicine in Organon of Medicines and Homeopathic Philosophy. This is MD degree in Organon and Homeopathic Philosophy, MD in Practice of Medicines, MD in Homeopathic Pharmacy, MD in Repertory, and MD in Psychiatry. Mainly, BHMS students can pursue post graduation degree in 7 subjects, and these are the 7 subjects. The main three: the Metromedica, Repertory, then Organ and Homeopathic Philosophy, then Practice of Medicine, then Psychiatry, Pharmacy, and Pediatrics. Doctor of Medicine in Homeopathic Pediatrics in Metro America, and Doctor of Medicine in Endocrinology. So those students who are interested in teaching fields can look out for a job in various reputed institutions. Uh, the name of some institutions are then NIA, NIH, National Institute of Homeopathy in Calcutta, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences in Bangalore, University of Health Sciences in Vijayawada, and none other than Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. After completing his or her post graduation degree. Thank you so much for listening carefully. And in next sessions, I will discuss about how to prepare for these entrance examinations. Thank you.